At a time when Pakistan is sending unidentified militants to India via Nepal border, the friendship of India and Nepal is blooming as we see from the ground zero. We are present at the Indo-Nepal border and the no man's land especially. And to establish this particular part, I'll be explaining you what it is all about, because currently India and Nepal forces are doing the joint operation, the joint combing, joint patrolling out here after the news which broke out and said that a total of 30 to 35 unidentified militants from Pakistan can enter the Nepal border, and to ensure them not crossing the border, be it SSB or the armed police force of Nepal, both have come together for the joint patrolling at here. And if I may explain to you, as India and Nepal share mutual friendship, this is just the symbolic thing to ensure that at this particular point, that's India, where it's written India, Bharat, and while on this particular side, it's written Nepal. So this is Nepal and right here is Nepal. But currently we are standing at the no man's land, because 10 yards from here to 10 yards from there is the no man's land. And that's why both forces are doing the operation at present. As you see, Nepal and Indian forces all together have come to fight against the terrorism. I have been joined by Commandant of SSB, Ganga Singh ji. Ganga ji, please tell us about the joint operation, what you guys are doing here, and what are the planning in the wake of the news which came out that some people are trying to cross the border.
Yes, as you know that some person of Pakistan nation and some are from Bangladesh. They have already crossed over to Nepal, and they may try to come into India through that open and porous border. Though for that we are with the Nepal APF and SSB, we are regularly doing joint patrolling, regular interval. We are almost alert 24/7, and we are ready to take over any challenge.
Be it the narrow lanes or the farmlands, the Nepal forces or the Indian forces are checking whosoever is crossing those lanes, those roads, to ensure proper safety across Nepal border and the Indian border, and to ensure that these Nepal armed forces men and those SSB men from India are here to ensure and to damage the plans of Pakistan to enter inside India. We are at the Indo-Nepal border and present at the watchtower from where the SSB Jawans are keeping a vigil eye on the area coming towards Nepal. And if you see this particular area, you can get the sense of proper fencing has been made here at the India-Nepal border. Though they share mutual respect, mutual friendship, but this area, because it departs one headquarters from another, that's why this area is loaded with the fencing. And in that part where you can see some white pillars as well, beyond those white pillars is the area belongs to Nepal. And if any unidentified militant tries to cross this particular area, the Jawans of SSB posted at the watchtowers will see from here, and they also have this particular insas and many other guns with them, so that they can target any unidentified movement from that particular area. These Jawans of SSB are doing their duty 24/7 round the clock from this watchtowers to ensure any movement coming from across the border to India, to ensure safety for all of us.